Oops, she woke up. Taking her afternoon nap. You see her nails are long. She needs to go to the groomer. Maybe this weekend. I don't know if you can hear her snoring or not. Oop.